Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own YouTube channel logo using Canva, quickly, easily, and completely for free. If you're starting a new YouTube channel or just want to give your brand a fresh look, this is the perfect place to start. So, let's jump right in. First, open canva.com or the Canva app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type YouTube logo. Canva will instantly show you tons of ready-made logo templates designed specifically for YouTube channels. Click on the YouTube logo result and you'll see a whole gallery of beautiful designs. Take your time to browse through them. There are styles for gaming, tech, beauty, vlogs, education, and so much more. When you find one you like, simply click on the template and then hit Customize this template. This will open up the Canva editor where you can make it truly your own. Now, here's where the fun begins. Click on the text area and type in your channel name. For example, if your channel is called Tech Tutorial, just replace the default text with that. You can adjust the font style, size, and color by using the toolbar at the top. If you want to change the colors of shapes or icons, just click on them and pick your favorite shades from the color palette. You can even upload your own icons or graphics if you want a personal touch. And don't forget the background. You can keep it simple with a solid color, or go for a gradient or pattern that fits your brand's vibe. Once you're happy with the final look, it's time to download your new logo. Click the Share button at the top right, select Download, and choose PNG for the best quality. You can also check the Transparent Background option if you're using Canva Pro. That's great for overlaying your logo on videos or thumbnails. And that's it! You've just created a professional-looking YouTube channel logo in Canva in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's starting their own channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.